Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these in the pairing mode. Okay, so let me go ahead and close the lid here. Now I'm going to open it up. I'm going to go ahead and take both buds out. Okay, now I know that these are in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, I get a solid blue light and then the lights go off. The reason is because for me, I'm actually connected to one of my other phones, so I have to manually put this in a pairing mode myself. Okay, so put this manually in pairing mode. All you need is one of the buds, and just put it in your ear, and then you want to tap on the JBL logo there. You want to tap and then tap and hold, and keep holding until it says pairing. Okay, or you can wait till both of these lights start blinking blue. So let's do it together. Okay, I'm not going to put it in my ear, but it'll say pairing. Okay, so tap and then tap and hold for about 5 seconds or so, and just wait till it says pairing. Okay, it must have said pairing because they're both blinking blue now. So now it's in pairing mode. So now I can go ahead back to my iPhone here, and I'm going to go to settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to scroll down here under other devices, and that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, within Bluetooth range about 30 feet or so. It did find the Endurance Peak 4 right there. I will tap on that. And voila, we're connected. You see the solid blue lights there, and then they will go off. Anyway, there you go. We're connected. Now, if you have issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below for that link in the description area.